my reveal, and today I'm reviewing this because creature. First thing we're gonna open is this. That's cool. Alright, now we have this. Cool. Okay, now which creature will you discover? I don't know.
It's hard to discover a creature when you can't get it out of the package.
Yes, now I just need to unwrap this. Okay, now let's dip this in the water.
Ooh, it's foaming.
Anyway, the camera girl is saying some of this, so yeah. What will we get?
Oh, it's not ready yet.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not ready. Where's the towel?
No!
Sorry. Okay, where's it?
Go in there and get a paper towel.
Okay. Okay, I think when we start it, it would be faster to...
Did it say how long it's supposed to take?
No. This might take hours and hours or something.
Oh, it's starting to change. Look at that.
Wow.
I see some speckles and stuff on there. What do you think it's going to turn into?
I don't know.
I think it's supposed to turn into one of these creatures over here.
Me too. It's starting to open. Wow. It solved. Then we're another towel. Oh wait. I think let's just okay. Please open it. Like it's hard. Okay. Wow, that's so cute. So we got this one. Oh wait. We got this one and whatever this is. Whatever this is. We got this purple guy and whatever this is. I don't know. Okay.
Well, let's see if they have a name. So,
He's Cosmo. He's Cosmo. Okay, we got him. This is Cosmo.
that's Cosmo.
Mm-hmm.
And what does that one say?
Berserk.
Berserk.
Berserk. We got
So we got
Cosmo and Berserk.
cool.
You might want to buy one of these yourself.